How to Trade Crypto, a step-by-step guide for beginners. Hello, friends. Welcome to the world of crypto is exciting, but can feel confusing, right? If you're new and wondering how to trade crypto, then this video is just for you. Today, we'll talk about a beginner-friendly guide to help you start crypto trading. With simple steps and easy explanations, you can confidently begin your journey. So let's get started. What is crypto trading? First, let's understand what crypto trading is. Crypto trading means buying and selling cryptocurrencies to make a profit. Just like stock trading, you trade cryptocurrencies the same way. The most common currencies here are Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins. In crypto trading, you either wait for a coin's price to drop to buy it or sell it when the price increases to make a profit. Now, let's talk about how to start crypto trading. Let me explain it in simple steps. 1, choose a crypto exchange. First, you need to choose a reliable exchange, such as Binance, Coinbase, or Wazirix. This will be the platform where you buy and sell your cryptocurrencies. And step 2, create an account. Next, create an account on the exchange and complete identity verification. It's a simple process. The end of the story is you deposit funds, add money to your account. You can do this through bank transfers, UPI, or card payments. Start trading. Once your funds are available, you can buy your first cryptocurrency. Make sure to understand the market before you invest. Types of trading strategies. There are different trading strategies in crypto that you can choose based on your goals. Some common strategies are day trading. In this, you trade on a daily basis and make a profit by taking advantage of price fluctuations. Hodling. Hodling means holding a cryptocurrency for the long term and waiting for the price to increase. Scalping. This is a short-term strategy where you try to profit from small price movements. Risk management tip. Crypto trading comes with risks, and if you're a beginner, remember these tips. Invest only what you can afford to lose. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your money in one coin. Invest in different cryptocurrencies. Start small. If you're new, start with small amounts. Be learning. The crypto market moves fast. Keep up with updates and news regularly. Tools for crypto trading. Now, let's talk about some important tools that will help you in trading. TradingView, the best tool for charts and technical analysis. CoinMarketCap to check crypto prices and market caps. Crypto news apps. Download trusted apps for the latest updates. Conclusion and call to action. So friends, this was a beginner-friendly guide on crypto trading. Now you know the basic steps and strategies to help you start your journey. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who want to learn about crypto. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned for more crypto trading tips.